Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to see how to apply for a visit visa to Trinidad and Tobago. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, when it comes to apply for a visit visa, the very first thing is to determine if you really need a visa, and from there we can take it, right? So that's what we are gonna check over here. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So, guys, in front of you, I have opened Ministry of Foreign and CARICORUM Affairs, and this is official government of Trinidad and Tobago. And I have opened the diplomatic mission of India, in New Delhi. So first of all, you need to determine if you really need a visa or not. So you see this from the same site, I found this document, visa requirements for all countries. Now you can scroll to your country. Okay. Let's see if I go for Canada. Business vacation, I don't need a visa. Employment, no. Other, no. So Canada is fine. What about India? Let's go down. Business vacation, visa is required. Yes. Employment, yes. So visa is not required for visit up to 3 months on vacation or business. But if you exceed that, you need. Prior approval is required for employment and any other reasons from Chief Immigration Officer. Fine. So for short terms, it's not required, but for others, it is. So if you want to apply, how you're going to apply? So if you are in India, then you open this High Commission in India section of this one. Now here you have various documents that you're going to see. First of all, visa application instructions. Okay. So you need to fill visa application form in duplicate 2 copies. Recent passport size photographs, no color. Okay. Signature can be photocopied. Okay. 22 questions must be answered. All questions. Okay. And they have given explanation also for the questions. Okay. Fine. What's next? Checklist. Instructions we have gone through, and then checklist. Okay. This is really good because now you can find out if you have missed anything or not. Self-addressed envelope. For proposed travel letter, we are strongly advised not to confirm purchase until after visa application is processed. This is good. A lot of countries want you to do it in before. So based on your purpose, you can do this as well. Now, visa process procedure. How to submit? You can submit in person. Okay, they have given the time, Monday to Friday and public holidays, or via courier. And it may take up to between 3 to 21 days. Okay, and they may ask you for additional document interview. That's case by case. Can email them, fine. Inquiries also there. Fee, single entry fee, this, multiple entry fee, this. Return courier fee, you remember in the checklist, we had to include this. Okay, they have connection time also. So I think if possible, I would always prefer to go and submit myself rather than sending it by courier, but it depends on your location as well and how accessible situation is for you. Now coming to the form, yeah. So remember they had given information about all the questions, what you are supposed to write. So declaration, this section is not required because I official signature date. And they have written, they had written that uh, the handwriting should be readable. So make sure it is. So your name, family name, given name, maiden name, place and date of birth, nationality, present nationality, passport details, occupation, name and address of firm, annual income, TT dollars. So make sure you convert it. If you have been deported from there, state offenses, proposed date of departure, address, purpose visit, details, anticipated period of visit, permanent address, ever applied for a visa before, okay, date, two references to whom you are well known, and by children's name, declaration. All right. So the process is pretty simple. So with this, you can apply if you really have to. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.